Hello children, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Okay, now today I am here with a new chapter. The name of the lesson is Who Will Be Ningto? Unit 10 of our literature book. The name of the lesson is Who Will Be Ningto? Have you heard of the word Ningto before? No, I know you haven't heard of that word before. Okay, before explaining that, what is Ningto, let me tell you that this is a Manipuri story. You know Manipur is a state in India, right? So this is a Manipuri story in which you may hear different new names. Okay, that is in Manipuri, the language is Manipuri language. Okay, so here Ningto means the king. So the name of the lesson, I hope all of you got, the meaning of that word Ningto is king. Who will be a king? That is the question. Okay, now we will see what it is. So in Manipuri, Ningto means king and Lima means queen. Okay, so Lima means queen. Okay. Now here is a small story. We have a concept of who will be a king and all different heroic images we are having. Isn't it? A king means he will be a person who is a great warrior. He know how to fight. He know how to use the spear, sword and all. And he will protect the country. Isn't it? And protect the people too. Okay, now we will see what happens in this story. Okay, okay. Now take page number 167 of your English textbook, literature text. Okay, so shall we start the story? Long ago, in the land of Kangelipak in Manipur, there lived a Ningto and a Lima. They were loved dearly by the people. So here the story is happening in Manipur in the land of Kangelipak. Kangelipak is the name of the country in Manipur. It's a place in Manipur. The king was, there lived a king and a queen. Okay, the names are not mentioned in the story, but they are called as Ningto and Lima. The queen is called Lima and king is called Ningto. Okay, the Ningto and Lima on their part never stopped thinking about the Miam, the people. Our Miam should be happy, they said. So this queen and king, they were not thinking about themselves. They were very good at heart. They used to always think about the people. So a ruler should be like that, isn't it? A king should always think about the welfare of the people, welfare of the kingdom. So they always thought about the people, and they said they were never stopped thinking about the Miam. Miam means people. Okay, it's a Manipuri word, but the meanings are given there itself. Okay, Miam, the people. So they thought our people should be always happy. And they said that they should be very happy. The people were not the only ones who loved the Ningto and Lima. The birds and animals too loved them. The Ningto and Lima always said, everybody in Kangelipak should live in peace. Not only the people, but the birds, animals and the trees. So this queen and king and queen, they not only loved the people Miam, but they loved the entire animals, birds and even the plants in the kingdom. So everybody in Kangelipak should live in peace. That was the motto. Then their beloved king and queen had 3 sons, Sanajoba, Sanayama and Sanatomba. So this queen and king and queen, they were blessed with 3 baby sons. They are Sanajoba, Sanayama and Sanatomba. So 3 sons were there. 12 years later, a daughter was born. She was named Sanatombi. She was a lovely child, soft and beautiful inside. She was loved by one and all. So 3 sons were there for the king, okay, and after 12 years a baby girl was born. Wow, everyone was very excited with the baby girl. She was very good child. She was soft, beautiful and very loving child. Okay, so she was loved by all the people. Everybody liked her very much. The years went by and the children grew up well. And then one day, the Ningto called all his ministers and said, "It is now time to decide the Tungi Ningto, the future king." Tungi Ningto means what? The future king. So now it's time. They all have grown up. They become good, nice looking princes. Prince and princess. Okay, 3 sons and 1 daughter was there. Okay, so they all grew up now. Now it's time to decide who will be the future king. The ministers were shocked. But, oh Ningto, what is there to decide? Sanajoba, your eldest son, will be our future king. So the ministers were surprised when the Ningto said like this. What did he say? We have to decide who will be the future king. So they all said, what is there to decide? It's already decided. It's like that. According to the tradition, usually the eldest son will become the next king. That is what the tradition is usually. The firstborn is getting the kingdom. So there is nothing to decide in that, they told. Well, the Ningto replied, that's how it happened in the old days. The eldest son always become the king. But times have changed. So let us select a king who is most worthy of becoming a king. So now this Ningto and Queen Lima, they want a change. What is it? The traditional pattern was to make the eldest son the Ningto. But they are telling, that is what happened till now. I know that the eldest son is always privileged to become the king, but time has changed. Now it's time for a change. So let us select a king who is most worthy of becoming a king. So the ruler of Kangeli Park should be the most suitable one, not simply giving that throne to the eldest son. It should be, we have to find out who is more capable. Okay, so that is what Ningto said. We will have a contest to select the future king, the Lima said. And so, in the land of Kangeli Park, there was a contest, a horse race. Whoever reached the Kongkang, the banyan tree, first would be declared Tungi Ningto. So, here what happened? Next, they were coming with a competition. Okay, the king and the queen decided that, and the queen said, we will have a contest to select the future king. So, we will select the king after a contest. And what was the contest? In Kangeli Park, there was a contest, a horse race contest was they used to keep. And whoever reached the Kongkang. Kongkang means Kongnag. What is it? Kongnag is the meaning is banyan tree. Okay, in Manipuri we say Kongnag for banyan tree. Who will reach that banyan tree first would be declared Tungi Ningto. Tungi Ningto means future king. Okay, so that was the contest. But then a strange thing happened. Sanajoba, Sanayama and Sanatomba, all 3 of them finished the race together. They were expert riders and all three reached the finish line at the same time. So what happened here was a strange thing. So they decided that there can be a contest, that is a horse race. At that time horse race may be very popular, and they started the horse race, and what happened? Something very strange. Nobody became first. Then what happened? All the three princes they reached the banyan tree, that is Kongang, Kongnag, same time. Okay, they all reached the destination at the same time, so that no one could be declared as the king. That was a very strange thing. They were expert riders and all the three reached the finish line at the same time. So there was a great excitement there again. All were excited at that time. So it was at that time all the three reached the same time, and they couldn't decide who could be the future king. So there was a great excitement. Look at them, the people shouted, Shagol Tumba Numba. What is the meaning? The meaning is look at them. Shagol Tumba Numba means in Manipuri, look at them, such fine horsemen. Oh, look at them, they are such fine horsemen. Nobody can, all the three are equally qualified. All the three princes were equally qualified. But one question remained. Who would be the Tungi Ningto? Again everyone was asking each other, if all the three reached at the same time, then who can become the Ningto? The Ningto and Lima turned to their sons. The Ningto said, Sanajoba, Sanayama and Sanatomba, you have proved that you are fine horsemen. Do something different, each one of you, so that we can decide who will be Tungi Ningto. So again there was a confusion there to decide who is Tungi Ningto. So the king and queen called the sons, all the three sons, and told them, okay, so you all, the three of you proved that you three are very good horsemen. Now you have to do something different. Three of you should do something different so that we can decide from that who will be the next Ningto. Wow, what an exciting situation, isn't it? So next, what they are going to do, we will see in the next video. Okay children, read till here and wait for the next video. Okay, thank you.